Hey kids, Zero the Crypto Miner here. Do you want to automate your crypto trading so you don't have to watch screens all day? Well, why not try the automated crypto bots built by PyNX? Building the bots is free. You only pay when you make money. With just about every cryptocurrency supported on their massive platform, you won't be able to think of a reason not to trade with these powerful trading bots. From grid bots to market bots, they have every type of bot you could ever dream of. Unlike other crypto apps, you can loan your crypto out and earn a return. Licensed by the US Treasury, so you know your trades are safe. You can use the platform to create pre-made bots such as grid bots, or create your own bot with your own grid and your own margin. From smart trades to trailing sells to trailing buys to stop limit sales. Create arbitrage robots and limit your risk, or decide how much you want to make. They also have structured investments such as dual investment, covered gains, etc. Why have your crypto sitting still in some wallet when you can loan it out and make a return? Creating bots is simple and only takes a few minutes. Limit your risk by limiting your investment. With the ability to generate any compound chart you want, you can plan your investment with any two cryptos. Why pay someone thousands to build you a crypto bot that only trades on Robinhood when you can build your own free crypto trading bots with PyNX? Good luck trading.